In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a free domain name in Hostinger so you can save money while setting up your website professionally. We'll focus on the main method Hostinger offers, which is getting a free domain when you choose certain hosting plans for at least 12 months. I'll walk you through what you need to know, how to choose the right plan, and a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, it's important to understand the basic idea. Hostinger doesn't just hand out free domains by themselves. Instead, the free domain is a bonus that comes with specific hosting and website plans when you commit to an annual subscription or longer. This can be a great deal if you were already planning to build a website, launch a blog, open an online store, or move an existing site to a new host. To get started, you'll need to choose an eligible plan. Hostinger includes a free domain for the first year with several of their annual plans. If you're looking at general web hosting, you'll want to focus on the premium business or cloud startup plans. These are a good fit for most people who are starting a website, whether it's for a personal project or a small business, and they typically give you more resources and features compared to entry-level options. If you specifically want managed WordPress hosting, look at the premium and business managed WordPress plans. These are designed for WordPress sites and can be a good choice if you want easier management, automatic updates, and performance features tailored to WordPress. Again, when you choose one of these plans for at least a year, you'll usually get that first year domain for free. For users who prefer a more visual drag and drop approach, Hostinger's website builder plans might be more appealing. In that case, check out the Premium and Business AI website builder plans. These not only include tools to design your site without coding, but they also qualify for a free domain when billed annually. This is ideal if you want to get online quickly and don't want to manage a separate builder and hosting service. If your project is more advanced and you need greater control over your server environment, you may be considering VPS hosting. Hostinger's KVM VPS plans also often come with a free domain, though there's an important detail here. The free domain is commonly limited to a .cloud extension. So if you had your heart set on a very specific domain ending like .com or .net, double check what's included before you finalize your order. There's also an option for those mainly focused on professional email. Hostinger's business premium email hosting plans can include a free domain for the first year as well. This can be useful if your main goal is to have branded email addresses using your own domain name, even if you're not building a full website yet. One crucial thing to remember is what does not qualify. The single web hosting plan does not include a free domain, even if you choose yearly billing. It's their most basic plan, and while it's cheap, you would need to purchase your domain separately. Also, monthly billing cycles for any plan do not come with a free domain. To unlock the free domain benefit, make sure you choose a 12-month plan or longer. So when you're on the Hostinger site, take a moment to compare the eligible annual plans, think about what kind of website or project you're building, and choose the plan that fits your needs and budget. As long as you pick one of the qualifying plans for at least a year, you'll be able to claim your free domain for the first year and get your online presence started with fewer upfront costs.